bubble tea and refresher and whipped cream.
Get me iPad Air.
Right, with our third party called Bright Star, we don't do it directly here. Because Macbook itself usually companies who do all this right needs to require a license. Yeah, so Apple didn't go for the license itself. Yeah, it's only online inside. Yeah. So by right got $61 one. Yeah. So right now because $13.
Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Gurung Sisters. I'm Gurung.
And I'm Gurung.
So today we'll be unboxing our Amazi's birthday gifts. So we have 5 things. The last 2 things are very special for me and Ripsim. So watch till the end.
Special,
before we unbox it, try to guess on what is gonna be inside these bags.
Guess
So
number 1.
Okay, faster guess it. Okay, now we're gonna open it.
Diddy's gonna open that.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Airpods! Was your guess correct? Comment down below.
My sister's gonna be opening the giant big one.
Yes. Okay, let's open it. So this is AirPods.
It's just a normal AirPod. It's the ordinary, not the.
Okay, this is gonna be hard. You don't have to pull that tab. I don't have long nails, guys.
I have one.
No, you don't.
Bubble tea scissors.
Scissors. Oh, never mind. I did it.
There's a full tab.
No. Baba, can I get scissors? Guys, I'm not strong enough. I thought this was easy to pull, but I was wrong. Guys, if you buy AirPods or anything, don't think this is very easy. I even need scissors for this.
Can I try? Can I try, baby? Please.
Give me.
Hey, where's the king?
Oh.
Knife? I'm scared.
Oh, so scary.
Baba can have that out.
Okay, so Baba help us cut this. Now we're gonna do shh.
Okay, just do it.
Ow.
You want? I'm just gonna.
Okay, let's
Magic. It's
let's
now
do
go.
magic.
Oh, what is it?
Wow. Designed by Apple in California.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Can I peel off the plastic here?
Yeah.
No. Okay, I don't know how to open it.
Look, let them see the.
There's also this.
Oh my god, there's a charger!
There's a cable.
Oh my god, I didn't even knew that.
So here's how it looks like.
This is the cover, the charging, and the AirPods. Okay, you know what we're gonna open next? What are we gonna open next?
Next, okay, guess. Guess.
We'll give you 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go open it. Let's see. Apple Watch. Was you guessing correct? Okay, now let's
Can you see her?
Okay. Whoa. Show it.
I just
No, you can just use it.
God.
Wow.
Color.
Okay, give me this. Okay. Be careful.
Sticker. Wait, no, don't touch it.
Show it. Be careful. Wow, designed in Apple California. The manual is here. Don't leave fingerprints. It's very precious to Amity. It's a birthday gift.
I'm gonna try not to leave. Wow. So precious.
So it's such a beautiful
And
color. It's gold
gold is
aluminium. Look at it.
Oh my god.
They can put the straps.
This is just instruction.
This is the instructions manual.
And a free charger.
Oh, it's a charger for it. Okay, let's put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Don't open it. Don't open it.
Wait, where's the case?
Okay, now we are going to open the case.
This was the case. How did I not know? Yummy.
Here's your Apple Watch.
Let's put this here.
Okay, so now next. Next
It's the big guy.
the big one. Okay, make a make the third guess. Okay.
We'll give you 5 seconds.
3 seconds because I'm too excited for this. 3, 2,
1.
Here.
It's a
MacBook Pro. A MacBook Pro. One chip right.
It's Macbook.
It's so heavy. It's so heavy. It's a MacBook Pro. Let's open it. Hey, that's my pull tab.
we both do it because you did one.
I've been waiting to do this for so long.
Me too.
Whoa!
Hold it.
Wait, we haven't even went to the real part. We'll do the whoa in the real part. Okay.
Feels so nice. Even
Yes! Can you guys see it? The new queen for Amity. This is gonna be helpful for Amity's studies. Listen, this is the whoa part. Oh wait, not now. Because the instructions.
Be careful, you might break it. Don't break it. Don't break
I
it.
won't. I'm very careful. Wow! Look at it!
Don't look. Don't put fingerprints. Do not take out the cover.
Wow! Can I?
No.
No,
Do not. Do try not to leave fingerprints. Don't open it. No, open it.
Look at it!
Open it.
The new baby has arrived.
Open it.
So, the color is space gray, as you can see.
Open it.
Yeah, I won't open it. Look at it! Okay, so here is the charger. And then here's a note.
Oh, a free chop.
No, this is the charger for the
Oh,
MacBook.
this is like so funny.
This is a little weird.
Yeah, this is also weird. Oh,
Okay.
look at this. Can I take out?
Hey, that's my
No, you
job.
can peel
That's
it.
my job. Peel this off.
No, you peeled the big. Since you peeled the big MacBook, right? I peeled it weirdly.
Wow, look at it. It looks.
I stabbed it.
It has the Apple logo.
And you're wondering what is the two things that is for us?
Okay, let's go to the true. Wait.
I think it's inside here. Can you hear the sound?
Yes, I sure can.
Mine was inside here.
Wait.
Can you guess what's inside here? Can you guess
This is
inside
wait.
here? We'll give you 5 seconds.
5,
4,
3. Wait, let's at the same 2. 1. Yeah, I want to say 3. Yes! Let's open it. Open
I
it.
got this.
Thank you guys for buying this for us.
Look, I got this.
Come on, shoo. Now it's our time to put it here and shine.
Shine. Emoji. Careful not to. open, please. Here's the sticker.
Guys, I
Oh,
can't
this
even
is-
read it. She got AirPods, this Apple Watch, and a MacBook Pro. She's been really wanted these things, so Babji fulfilled her wishes on her
But he
birthday.
also fulfilled his wishes.
He also fulfilled our wishes.
He fulfilled his own wishes because he wanted AirPods.
He also fulfilled my wishes.
But you're not gonna use it. It's for Amaji and Babaji.
Hey, I ate it the wrong way.
Jelly. Mom, I think my apple flavor. What's your one? Mango?
This is so yummy. Can I have more? So this is the end of the unboxing and this good video. I hope you guys enjoyed the ASMR and the gifts. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, and
Subscribe.
turn on the post notification bell to see more of our new videos.
Videos. Goodbye.